Hello, hello. It's me, Gregory Scott. It's me, Gregory Scott, and today we have another video. I'm so excited. Woo! I'm so excited. Today, I'm going to the library. I'm going to the library and I'm going to get some books. The library is a place where you can go and borrow books. You can borrow books, you can read books. That's a library. Today, I reached 1,000 hours. 1,000 hours of comprehensible input. 1,000 hours of comprehensible input. So now I'm going to start reading. Okay? So I'm going to drive to the library and I'm going to get some books, some Spanish books. I'm going to drive to the library and get some books. Are you ready? Let's go.
Los regalos.
Listening,
Va a ser un día muy
listening,
especial.
understanding.
En el lugar obviamente también venden todo
Shout out Dreaming Spanish. Shout out Natalia.
tiempo, pues la verdad es que no está lindo tener un tatuaje que signifique venganza.
Now I parked my car, and now we'll go inside the library. We'll go inside the library and I'll show you. I'll show you what the library looks like. I'll show you what the library looks like. Okay? I'm so excited. Let's go to the library. Okay, so we're at the library, but we have to be quiet. We have to be quiet at the library. But books. Rows and rows of books. I'm starting to read very basic books. Kids books, very basic books. Kids books. What do you want to say for thousands of people? Millions of people. No, I'm just kidding. Not millions.
Whoa! Millions of people.
Yeah.
Hi,
What's
Angela.
that's your message to the world?
Yeah, this is my kid,
Oh, okay.
and that's my future.
Okay. Hello again. So now it's the next day. As you can see, I'm wearing different clothes. I'm wearing different clothes because it's the next day. But now I want to show you my books. I want to show you all the books that I got from the library. Okay? So I got all these books. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 books. I got 11 books on different subjects. Okay? This book is a book about football, American football. This book is a book about gymnastics, right? Gymnastics. This is a book about movement. It's a book about movement and force. Look, this kid is tackling this kid. Movement and force. This is a book on sound. Sound, like a sound you hear. Sound. Electricity. So, all different subjects. Here's a book on India. Here's a book on Japan. All different subjects. So I got short books. I got short books. They're very short. They only have a few pages. It doesn't have a lot of pages. It has a little bit of pages. So I got really short books. So these are pages. This is the cover of a book, the back of a book. This is a book. Most of these books are short. They're short. They're not long. But I did get one long book, one chapter book. This one. It has a lot more pages. Pages. This is a chapter book because it has chapters. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. This is a chapter book. So, I'm going to read all of these books. I'm going to read all these books, and my Spanish will get better. My Spanish will improve. Okay? So, this is all for today. I wanted to show you the library. I wanted to show you some books, but that's all. Keep listening, keep watching, and keep understanding, and your English will improve. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.